Drop some chunks down. Get a burley trail going. What is it? Red cod. Dirty red cod. Lovely. There we go, there's a fishy. There's a fishy. And today's fishy of choice is kahawai. Or as I like to call it, bait. Fresh bait. Holy fuck, it's a gurnard. Caught a fucking gurnard. A gurnard. I love gurnard. I'm not sure of the legal size of gurnard, but I would say that's probably too small. Beautiful little thing. Throw him back. What do we got? It's a gurnard. It's a good gurnard. This is a gurnard I can keep. Yes! Gurnard! Gurnard! Let's go! There's a nice gurney. Third gurney of the day. This is the one that I can keep. Beautiful, lovely fish. I haven't caught too many of these, but this will be the first gurnard I've ever caught that I can actually keep. So, hell yeah. Oh! My God! Holy shit. Okay, so I was winding up my bait and a giant fucking gurnard just followed it and jumped out of the water to try and grab it. That was weird.